Okay, so we are going to continue on from the last video of Dogman for Whom the Ball Rolls by Dave Pikely, creator of Captain Underpants. Now we left off at Chapter 1, Rise of the Planet of the Cats. Let's jump right in, shall we? Petey! Petey! Petey, wake up! You're on TV! Come on, you gotta see it! Last night's tragedy was narrowly averted thanks to the Super Buddies. But the biggest surprise of the night was the heroic bravery of Petey the cat. Check him out as he saved his kid from the raging fire. I'm so proud of you, Petey. You're a hero. Cut it out, Big Jim. Heroes don't snuggle. Sorry, Petey. In related news, 7-dog fugitive also saved the guy. The governor was so impressed, she pardoned them. Now all 7 dogs are free. Isn't that nice? Gee, that is nice. What's nice about it? Those dogs got set free, but I'm still locked up. Where's my pardon? Yeah, Petey's right. Why do dogs get special treatment? I'm hangry. I say we unite, and together we shall rise up and overthrow this dog-centric society. We're with you, Petey. Vive la révolution. French for fight the power, baby. Meanwhile, stop, thief! No way! Wait up! It's no use, Dogman. I can't run anymore. You'll have to catch the bad guy on your own. Salute. Ruff, 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 ruff. Uh-oh. Grrr. Okay, I give up. But before you take me to jail, I've got something for you. It's here inside my shirt. Oh, what's this? Is it a bally wally? Who wants a ball? Does Doggy Woggy want a bally wally? Who was a ball? Doggy was a ball? Get the ball, get it. What's a ball? Now this is Flip-O-Rama, an animation out of paper. Now everybody knows that animation can only be made by screens, but this makes it fun. And you can make it out of paper. So you put your left hand right here, and you put your right thumb here, and you curl your index finger right under your thumb, and you flip. Who was a bally wally? Buzzer was a bally wall. Who's a good doggy was a bally wally? Are you ready? Let's roll! Meanwhile, oh boy, this is gonna be great. Dogman's gonna crash the crook all by himself. And now everybody will know what an awesome cop he is. Now they'll know. Now they'll wham! Plunk. What is wrong with you? That's 3rd time this week. A bad guy rolls a ball, you chase it, and he gets away. Go home, Dogman. And that's all for today.